I love this question because it's the one I like to debunk all the time. Will I lose muscle if I fast too long? Okay, let's go into your body for a moment. When you go into these fasted states, your body goes into, I've got to unload anything that is weighing this system down. It would be a little bit like if you were on a trek through, on a hike, and you were going days and days and days, and you were getting tired. You might look at your pack and say, I can't carry this pack anymore. What in here do I not need that I can let go of? So to lighten your load. That's what your body's doing in a fast. It's like, okay, we are in a crisis mode. There has been no food coming in. We have to be stronger, and we got to let go of the dead weight. So it starts to release things that no longer serves it. One of the things it will do is go into muscle, and it will look for cellular debris. These are things that are holding down muscle function, or extra fat cells, toxins, extra glucose. And it will start to release all of this cellular garbage. What that might feel like to you initially is your muscles are shrinking. But in a 72-hour fast, that's not what's happening. In a 72-hour fast, your brilliant body is just releasing what it doesn't need anymore so it can be more efficient. If you were to do a 72-hour fast over and over and over again, like once a month, every month, now you might find that the body is breaking muscle down because it needs to get those amino acids and the nutrients that are in muscle. But that's only if you go really extreme. And to me, extreme means 3-day water fast once a month. I've seen people try to do it once a week. The only time you would want to go into those states would be if you were having a severe illness. And in a severe illness, then yes, you want to be coached through that. But typically you will not lose muscle if you are cycling the length of your fasts. Now, the other thing is you won't lose muscle if you replenish with protein. So make sure you're getting those amino acids in when you eat. The problem that I have seen with the people who have gotten into this muscle wasting place is that they get to a spot where when they eat, they don't eat enough because they're not hungry. It's a byproduct. It's like why the weight loss drugs are crazy to me. You want to save $800 or $1,000 a month and all the side effects? Just learn how to fast. Because this metabolic switch, when we prime it, your hunger goes away. So sometimes we have to be very intentional when we open up our eating window and make sure that we are eating enough protein. And that way we don't lose muscle. The last thing you can do is you can bring in amino acids. I'm a fan of Perfect Aminos by Body Health. I'll leave links in here for my favorite, but you might need to drink some extra amino acids throughout your day to build muscle as well.